Took 7 weeks to get right, Eddie. 7 weeks to
You
lock
got
in,
this
even
shit.
to get more dialed in.
Oh, you got this shit, dude.
Bro, I'm about to be fucking 10K in the morning, the gym, 10K at night. Fucking grilled chicken, just pepper, no salt. I'm not looking fucking. I'm not going with a puffy face. Not me.
Get eyebrows done every day.
Eyebrows done. I already booked my visit to the barber beforehand. We're locked in. I don't know what I'm wearing though. It's the only issue. And she's like not like I have 2 brothers, and she's not like expecting us to like wear the same shit or anything like that. Like we in the past we've for like Christmas we all like so like we would wear, let's say, like red flannels that she got us, and then she'd wear a green sweater. And we did that for like 15 years. So I expected that, but she's like, nah, just fucking come right. So, all right, bet.
She was just like, just fucking be here, please.
No, literally, that's the one thing. My brother lives in Virginia, and we're all like, is he even gonna come? Like, obviously you have to, but it's just like he's the one brother that's so that like he just he doesn't, he's not like a very social person.
He's
Like,
so fucking
he
out
just
there.
like stays at his house in Virginia.
Yeah.
He lives 7.5 hours away.
I mean, that's
like,
fucking
is he gonna
fair.
come or what?
Yep.
So he's got to. You don't miss shit like that.
I was supposed to say, if it's like family shit.
Yeah, exactly. You only have one sister. You gotta see her get married.
Exactly. All right, welcome. I guess you're not gonna get married.
I don't think so.
Damn. Benji?
I love Huz. I'm just a Huz lover.
Welcome back, everyone, to another stream. As you can hear from our conversations, we are joined by Mr. Benji.
No.
We also got Hazed in the house. And Timmy's in here too. Hope you guys are having a phenomenal evening today. If you, at any point during the stream, you guys get any questions, don't hesitate to ask us in the chat. Other than that, just get straight into just sitting here bullshitting, saying whatever we want to say.
Advice.
Huh?
Talking marriage advice.
Yeah, talking marriages. Benji's about to get married soon. Actually, we could
7 weeks.
We could have Benji go on The Bachelor.
Oh, for sure, 100%.
That'd be sick. A couple years ago, I think it was like 2018. Some random person came across my Twitter account, just saw my picture, and asked me if I wanted to be on some like online dating show. It's like, it's just like you have your webcam and your mic, and you just go through like the rounds of a dating show. It was nuts. Obviously, I didn't do it because what the fuck? But it was interesting that like that's like a thing. It was on like I don't know, Kick or Twitch or one of those things.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll be on the online Bachelor or the real Bachelor.
Hell yeah. Let's get, guys, if anybody got connections, let's get Benji on the fucking Bachelor. The world needs to see his eyebrows.
I think they're kind of chopped right now. I'm letting them grow out so I can just get them done nice for the big day.
There's some of them fucking caterpillars.
Yeah, they're thick. They're thick girls right now. That's alright though. They still look right.
Oh, I don't fucking doubt it.
Come on, brother. Once April hits, like I don't let myself go below like a solid 7. I'm outside, you know what I'm saying? I'm playing outside and shit. Like I gotta be ready.
Only during winter when you're fucking hibernating.
Hell yeah, I don't give a shit then.
Right. Okay. What do we have here? Now we're right now.
We're off to a good start.
Yeah. I mean, looking at this 1975, mentioned this level probably like fucking 10 fucking times already. So that's so bad. Lines up nicely with their hourly liquidity. Bounced on the 50% of this wick right there. Just kind of bounced up a little bit. Have fair value gap above, fair value gap below. Sold off into open. Have a wick, gap, whatever. Just typically get filled. So just waiting and seeing what she wants to fucking do.
You know, if I were a betting man, which I guess in the world of options you have to be, I would kind of wager that if you're looking at the 4 hour on NQ, right?
Yeah.
A lot of these candles, let's say of last week, let's say like Thursday to just between Thursday and Friday, before we actually broke above this like 2020 level, you know, we kind of built that flag that we've broke out of.
Yeah, I see that.
Up. If I were kind of a betting man, I feel like we have to test that. We came down we tested like 20,100, right? But don't you think we would have to test that level, because look at the respect it had as that resistance.
Yep.
Like the wicks, like pop through it, but the candles closed below it. You know.
I like that.
9 times. I can't count, but you know, I feel like that would be a spot where you then, you know, you'd want to see that, because then it gives you that lower high, which has kind of been the theme, for the most part since like the end of April. I guess that was just all last week, but you're just like building these lower highs. Yeah,
it gives more of a reason for like continuation up. Seeing that it hold, I got this 970-75 level on the 4 hour. It's also decent on the daily, actually. Sorry, on the weekly maybe. Yeah, on the weekly, it's like that order block right there. So 970-75 would be solid for a retest prior to us doing anything, I think, with this daily range being outlined and OTE technically being like right in there. I think we could do that. I think that'd be solid.
Yeah, I actually like that a lot. If we come down, I'm gonna mark that right now. I want to say we come down maybe like, and this is just me being a nitpicky OCD asshole, but like 19,750.
19,750.
Just like 20 points less than what you're saying.
Yeah, so take out this liquidity right there.
Yeah. And then just you would dip under that, come reclaim 100 points, 125 points to 19,900, and then you reclaim that 19,900 level, and then you're off to the races back to like basically where we are now, this like 2070 2080 level, and then just continue on from there.
I don't think that'd be bad. I think I'd take that. Yeah, but I'm liking this 750. If we I
just don't want to see, at least, you know, just wanting up more again to reclaim and get back to like the upside of things. I don't want to lose your level, because then I think it's not maybe a free fall, but you start to get a little bit more selly back down to like that 19.5 to 19.350 area where we kind of chopped around a little bit. What was that? Not last week, but the week before. If you look at like going back to the 4 hour, looking at Thursday, like that 1800 candle, it was just like kind of ping-ponging really tight. Yes, some of it is the overnight session, but you just had a lot of action between this 19,350 and this 550 or so level, and just like ping-ponging. So you had that big sell beneath, and then that skyrocket up.
Yeah, like retrace right into the OTE of this range, and then skyrocket up. Kind of would be similar shit that we did right there. So yeah, I would love to see us come back, retest something over here at least, Because right now we were looking like this gray box that I have. That is an hourly, or sorry, that's a monthly fair value gap that we have up above us.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. So that's like the only thing that I am looking at. The fact that it's like these are kind of the levels that we could start to like look for those rejections, because we were pretty deep into it. The way this weekly is opening up, right? Like we're pretty like below the previous weekly's open. It's opening out kind of flat. So I wouldn't mind a sweep of previous week high before it actually wants to continue down. So what I would want to see before anything happens. On that, I mean, yeah, those levels like 18,222 and this one right there too, those levels. A whole outline. Daily 4 hour hourly. Just kind of the shit that we got on in queue. See if she can get through this 50%, then we can see a nice sell. I think below 20.0675, I will want to see it come into this fair value gap right here. Come into that. As that lines up nicely with not that. Yeah, that lines up nicely with like the OT of the whole day of Friday. So if we can do some shit like this, I'd be cool with that.
I would love that.
That's like the thing that I'm watching for right now. So they can
be an opportunity to buy some shit.
I mean, they can be gay and like do this and then that, or even just like straight from here and then go up. But obviously, look for this fair value gap. Look for this. I mean, these gaps usually get filled. Pretty typical for them. But the way she's going right now is looking pretty decent. See, that's what I wanted to see. Nice rejection off of that OB. Good follow through. Just want to see what they do at the bottom of this hourly and what they do, and if they want to take this to that level right there. Because I think, what is it? Timmy. Is Timmy in the house with us? It's like a thing where you take the last leg.
What's up?
Isn't there? What's the thing? You take the last leg on the Friday close. What is it? Where you take the last leg of it?
Oh, the manipulation part of it, or
yeah.
You talking about for downside levels?
Yep.
Oh yeah, so it's the last open and close, like so at close, you take. Where we at right here? Why am I on IWM? In Q. Hold on, I'm getting there. Yeah, so you would take the low of the 1550 candle to the high of 1525.
1550.
Well, it would be 5 minutes before you, so.
Oh yeah.
So
I see.
45, that red knife, that low.
45 and 20.
And then the high at 1520, yeah.
I see. Yeah. Oh yeah. 1618 lines up pretty well with that fucking 1975. Let's see. See if she gets it. See that 26875 needs to get through that, and then she can continue on down from there. That's what we want to see. If we're looking for that delivery right here, that's that final target. Always.
But if we hit that,
Mm-hmm.
if we break the 2618, then it's probably topped out for a little while.
Oh, if we make 2618.
Yeah, the 2618.
Okay. Yeah, I have the 1618 lining up at this 1975 level. The 2060, that's pretty. That's like almost a previous day low. 2618.
See, how do we have completely different levels? So I've got 1618 we already broke.
What?
Looks like we've hit the 2125 at 2052 and we bounced from there.
If I'm taking this is what I have for taking Friday's range. I'll put it into off topic.
Yeah, I've got the same thing. But you're using fibs, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I wonder why ours are like so different.
Really?
I'll post mine. I don't know where that guy came from, but
Well, maybe it could be because, well, no. Those levels should still be the same. 044. Yeah, B just shouldn't affect it that much anymore.
yeah, I'm on the 5-minute time frame. You take your 1520 to the 1545, that red knife low there.
Yep.
Yeah, I've got 20, which Weeble won't give me the precise level, but 20.10. The 2618 is 2002.
Oh, mine 2618 is 19,934.25. Huh. That's so weird.
I know, my 3618 is 1993 and 1988 for the 423.
423 is
What's the-
19,799.75.
Yeah, so my 2618 line's right up with that fair value gap.
On the hourly.
Yeah,
That's so interesting.
the one that I posted Friday whenever I was like top tier.
Mm-hmm.
And pull back into and then jet it out of.
Oh no, that's weird. All I gotta fucking say.
Yeah. That's why I like to chart on Webull too, because for me it's always been so much more accurate than a lot of other platforms. I don't know why. Like yours is like TradingView is so much different than Webull.
Yeah. Might be Weeble then.
Could be.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's
What's your nightly low that you have?
right now.
Yeah.
Like that 5-minute wick.
Yeah.
20.05250.
Yeah, me too.
Huh. Whack. Oh wait, hold up. Is your fib so like since I'm counting down, so I'm counting from like 0 to -1. Are you counting from like 1 to -1? Or are you counting from like 1 to 1.618, 2618?
Yeah, so I'm go from 0 to 100 to 1618, 2618.
That might be why. Because I'm counting from like I'm setting my 0 line and then my -1 is the range size.
Okay.
That's how I'm doing it.
So that's why we're different.
Yeah. I was like, I think it was AJ and I that had the same fucking issue. Hi, Tia. Can Tia speak?
Let me
Hi,
give
Tia
her the
Bells.
voice.
I can give her voice.
Miss
Come give us the
Tia.
alpha, Tia.
Tia, if you want
While we're
to
bouncing
talk,
out.
yeah, join,
Hi,
yeah.
Tia.
There you go.
Hi, Tia.
Woo, woo, woo.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Tia.
Why am I muted?
How you doing?
You're not muted. We can hear
You're
you.
not. You're good.
And how are you?
What's happening?
Ready for bed.
I'm in bed.
Tia's already
Yo.
sleeping? The hell?
Late over here, brother.
Okay. 9 o'clock is late.
For old bones like these, it sure is.
Fuck.
Hey, Benji, did you say you live in Maine?
No, I live in New York.
What state you live in?
New York.
Oh, New York. For some reason, I thought I heard you say Maine.
All the same over there.
Is it your
Yeah.
sister's wedding in Maine?
No, it's also New York.
Oh,
New York.
Nurk.
I'd be pissed if it was Maine. I'd be going. No, I said my
Oh,
brother
your
lives
brother.
in
Yeah,
Virginia.
yeah, your brother.
That's where my
Fuck.
wife's family's from.
Virginia or Maine?
Maine.
Maine's a good state. Good people are from
Yeah.
Maine.
Good people are from it. How
They
many
did vote for
people?
Biden, though.
How many people do you know that are from Maine, Benji?
Is that zero? I think zero.
How
Well,
do you know
Timmy's a
good
good
people?
dude, so he obviously married a good lady, so it just makes sense.
That's true. That's true.
I was just connecting the right dots here.
Oh damn, that's nice. Right there, this 50 hit that 50, started bouncing up. Yeah, I don't know. This monthly too is the way this monthly's been just kind of straight into that fair value gap. I don't know. Do you think we're gonna get a
I'd like for
retrace?
them to treat this like we do on smaller time frames, where we get the long wick to the bottom, and it
Mhm.
looks all bullish, and then they just run it back through the wick.
Yep,
Hmm.
that'd be
But up higher before we do that.
crazy if we got that.
I need to get out a snapping bull before we sell off.
Yeah, this is I mean, I'm looking at the same shit over and over. It's just this range, OT. If this range lines up with this fair value gap, would love to see it come into there before we do anything else.
Yeah, I agree.
Kind of hit this whole consolidation right here too, like Benji was saying. But that's in queue for everyone. It's like a
Hey, Shane, do we have any big earnings tomorrow or Tuesday before FOMC?
Palantir tomorrow.
Oh, baby, my favorite.
Ford, and then Tuesday's AMD, Rivian,
Valentia.
SMCI.
Palantir.
Datadog.
Love
Sounds good.
Palantir. If I knew I could get popular by just dick riding the CEOs like that one dude did, I would have just fucking tweeted Palantir every day.
The Palantir guy?
Yeah, whatever the fuck his name is.
The Lamar Palantir?
Lamar
no idea.
Palantir. Timmy knows.
Yeah.
I just know it's a fucking kid that dick rides Palantir.
Yeah. He's always
And
posting
I remember
pictures of tits.
What?
I just remember when like I first heard about the thing they were working with, or something had to do with SSSS, Suro Capital. It's just like an investment fund, and I bought the fuck out of them because I didn't understand how like direct listings and shit like that worked quite yet. So I was just like, fuck, I'm just gonna buy these. Like my capital obviously went nowhere, so I didn't
Yeah.
lose on it. But really excited about this company I knew nothing about, and was just buying other random investment funds. And I could have just dick rode, just tweeted stupid shit about Palantir for years until I got to fucking follow it. Crazy.
Did you see that one
Pissed.
chick?
I like
Is
it.
it Taylor Green bought Palantir on April 8th. On April 17th, Palantir was awarded the government contract with ICE to develop immigrant OS. And she's on the Committee of Homeland Security.
Oh, that,
One's up. Seems legit.
Yeah.
yeah, what a coincidence that is. Holy smokes. However, did she get so lucky?
Yep. Zach Morris was like, and they
There's-
try to
there's a
lock
screen
me
time.
up.
Ah, Zach. You said I had a big dick. Cool guy. Sorry, I forgot we're being professional.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Yeah. I'm still holding a little bit of the Palantir from like the IPO days or the direct listing days.
Mhm.
It was a good time in my life.
I trade with a guy. He's always posting Palantir. I still haven't took one trade, but he's always hitting big.
Yeah, that was my. Was it my? No, I don't know if that was my first big hit. Either that or. Oh my god, I'm a piece of shit. I can't remember the other big hit. When I first got started, it was a not Plug, one of those other companies though.
No, that's
And
F-Cell?
Blink.
Blink.
That was Blink.
Oh,
Oh.
laid back. So, oh boy, there.
Yeah,
Blink charging.
those were my first.
Push that. Yeah.
Yeah, BLNK.
Yeah.
That and then I hit on Palantir for my first 5-figure gains when I was just a wee lad getting into the game.
A wee lad. Oh, you wee
freaking
little
time.
lad. Let's see. Do you want to chart out some of these fucking names? AP.
LRCX monthly looks so good.
LRCX. LRCX.
Ridiculously good.
Damn. Oh, yeah.
CX.
Oh, look at this.
Oh yeah, it sure does.
Got that OTE, like the high time frame one, Eddie.
On like the weekly.
Oh, what did I do?
Monthly.
Oh god, dude, that liquidity sweep right here too, just a little.
Yeah, and like draw it out once from the bottom up, and like look at just tapped in, bodies closed back above equilibrium, is just crazy.
Oh, that's so good. Down. Tim, did you bring a fucking chicken with you inside?
What the
Nah,
hell?
locking them up, man.
Wait, hey Timmy, I got a question. I think only you could answer.
Yes, sir.
All right, so my sister's chicken, we named her Chicky. She's been like eating her own eggs recently. What's going on? How do we
Ah,
stop
that's
her?
not
And how do we
good.
fix it? Yeah, I
Yeah,
didn't think so.
You have to kill them.
Oh.
We have to kill
They
Chicky.
they will never. I haven't got one to stop. We had two that were doing it, and had to kill them both.
Oh.
And I've tried everything from more
How offensive you
calcium.
wanted to
'Cause
hear.
they say it's a calcium thing,
It's a calcium deficiency. That's what that makes sense.
and gave
Oh,
them
no,
plenty
Chicky, rip.
of. So you can do oyster shells, like little oyster shells, like tiny ones, and you can buy
Oh.
bags of them, throw them around, and they'll eat them. And they'll set in there and they'll dissolve. But man, I gave them plenty of celery, like chop it up real fine. Bought feed that had higher calcium in it, like egg layer and stuff, and still
Right.
no, they don't stop.
Man, we're having fucking chicken soup, that means.
For the wedding.
But she's a vegan, but her fiance wouldn't mind. That's his plan, is he wants to eat Chicky.
His plan is to eat Chicky.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
My wedding gift to you.
Damn, rip. She was a good chicken, though. She lasted a long time.
Well, but unfortunately, her time has come to an end.
Yeah. I feel like once you start eating something you're producing, it's about time you pull the plug anyway, right? It just sounds about right.
You're eating your own babies. I mean,
Yeah.
sounds normal.
Sounds counterintuitive, to be honest.
Yeah.
What'd you have for dinner? Oh, I ate my babies.
Yeah.
She's been doing it for like 2 weeks. So I was like, what? No, we like don't know what to do. I'm not a chicken expert by any
Dude,
means. Unless it's
it took
Chicken
me
Futures,
like 4
I'm good
months.
at that.
It took me 4 months to figure out which one of mine was doing it.
Oh yeah, you did catch
I
the
have a lot.
motherfucker.
I have a lot of chickens. Yeah, I had a lot
we
of
only
chickens.
have we
so
had
it's
two.
Pretty hard to
but
figure out.
Fox got to Chicky's sibling. Rick Chicky
That'll
number
do
2.
it.
Rick Chicky.
Dude, she must love that chicken to have one. Because I mean, like, what are you getting from it?
Yeah, she does. Well, so she.
I mean, you get
she'll,
one egg a day.
Yeah, and like they're like fitness freaks and annoying and whatever. But like she will eat Chicky's eggs, even though she's a vegan, because it's her chicken
Oh
and
my
ethically
God.
sourced and
Oh my
blah, blah, blah,
God.
blah, blah. I know. So that's why I think she's holding on to Chicky, is because she's like, it's an excuse for her to eat actual eggs.
It's an
Chicky's fucked
excuse.
up so
Yeah, well,
That is
Chicky's taken away from
fucking
her egg source now. So back to
hilarious.
bagged eggs for you.
But you're not even getting enough protein from the one egg a day.
No.
You
Especially
ain't getting
not with
enough of
Chicky's eating
fucking
it.
nothing,
Right.
dude.
Yeah,
You gotta buy her for it.
ABB.
It's my
Yeah,
egg.
it'd be like that. Chicky's nice though. I go over sometimes just to hang out with her.
Yeah, she'll
I
make
got
some.
I got a couple of them that'll just let you pick them up and carry them around like a baby.
That's awesome.
She'll
And then
make
the
some-
other ones are like terrified.
She'll make some good fucking soup too. Thanks, Chicky. Your time has come.
The roosters are good.
Yeah.
Good dog meat.
Dog meat?
Yeah, feed them to your dogs.
Well, after you cook them, right? They're not alive.
Nah.
Yeah, well, you gotta freeze them for a couple days. That way, if they have any parasites or anything, they die.
Right.
Ah.
You can't just kill it and eat it from. You're not supposed to, anyways.
Fuck it. Throw it in the fucking cage.
Yeah.
Throw it in the cage with them vicious fucking dogs. Just tear them motherfuckers apart.
We had some random dog show up yesterday. My dog, dude, lit it up. That dog turned around on its back and like played dead. It was wild.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what the fuck is the Altria group? I'm just looking at these like dividend paying stocks. Holy fucking balls.
What's TMO pay?
Timo, that one dividend yield TTM 38.38% or payout ratio.
Is that monthly or quarterly?
Last payment, payment date. More info on this. Dividends. Quarterly.
That's not worth it.
Yeah. Just looking at some of these fucking all these names.
Did you have something you wanted to add, Tia?
No.
What are your thoughts on killing chickens and chickens eating their own eggs?
I'd really rather not think about those things.
Before bed.
Eat my eggs.
I just eat my eggs.
Would you do that? Like, say hypothetically, you're a chicken.
I put
Would you eat your own egg?
No, I don't have any
Okay.
desire to
How do
eat
you
my eggs.
know you wouldn't eat your?
Oh, I would
Look
like
at
to think that, human nature-
QDTE. That's a weekly
Oh damn, roundhound.
dividend.
Oh shit. They're not bad either.
Yes, last dividend was 21. Yeah.
Exposure type, seasonal. Where's their fucking?
Oh, I love these. I love just reading about like people who are all in like Yield Max and all these other crazy funds.
Oh, dividend yield. Whoa, what the fuck?
Yeah,
47%.
OARK.
What the fuck?
Like
QDT is
So I've got
weekly
those
fucking.
two.
what the big one? The big one is
QQQY.
like, what's
TSLY, JetQ.
Yeah,
QQQI.
I like
MSQY.
QQY.
Let me write these fucking.
Dividend
down.
yield 197. What? Hello? I don't think
80% dividend yield. What the fuck? QQQY.
Go to
It's gone down.
MSQY.
It's gone down. It used to be 165%.
The fuck?
Yeah, that's nuts.
That's one of my favorites. Just kind of going through my.
Oh, there's fucking buy the fuck out of these.
TSLY. ENVDY.
TSLY.
Yeah,
Damn,
these things are
117. What the fuck? That's per share? That's what you should get per share?
Yeah.
Oh, that's insane. What the fuck? They're all like fucking bottom too. Damn, TSLY is fucking $8. The fuck?
Load up, brother.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm like, fuck, let me fucking set some buy orders for Monday. That's insane.
You're welcome.
Yeah, shit.
That's why people are like, oh, I get 20 cents a quarter. I'm like,
Yeah, Timmy's out here. Fuck you. Like 20 cents a quarter. What the fuck you talking about?
yeah. Yeah, my first one was JetQ, and then I got onto QQQY, and then somebody they're like, look at this one, look at this one, look at this one. I'm like, holy crap, what have I been missing? So I trade with the guy, and he like goes from one to the other. He'll load up, get the dividend, and sell and go to the other one. He does pretty good.
Yeah.
Time after time.
QTT, that's insane, dude.
Yeah, those are the things that dude, you have to look at the like I love doing it, looking at the Yield Max ETF subreddit, and it's like I have 100K in like Tesla, TSLY. Like my payments are 10K a month or whatever, something outrageous.
Yeah.
And then they're just calculate like every pinch of and then they'll go on margin and calculate their margin payments and blah 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 blah. It's just fucking nuts. These people are sick. But also like I want to do it, you know?
Yeah.
Dude, it's free money.
I love it's I
Like
just
after a
love
while,
gambling.
it doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter how far it sells off because you've done made all your money times X.
Because then you're getting a $10,000 payout to just buy 1 billion shares.
Let me make these.
Assuming things, rebound, but
So
that's just
you
awesome.
use prop firms, and you make a little bit, and when you take a payout, you just buy dividends.
Fucking,
Yep.
And then you maximize both sides,
What's the
and it's not even your money buying the dividends.
there's a weekly one. I think I'm sure there's a bunch of weekly ones. There's one off the top of my head that I think it's another Yield Max.
Hold on now.
So like
Give me a fucking daily one. Who the hell? Why not?
I wish.
I'm trying to gamble. Yeah, okay. YMAX. YMAX.
Yeah, YMAX, YMAX, then YMAG. Then you've got
Oh, this is a low one, 64%. Wait, that's kind of dog shit.
So what's the catch with these?
Well, it's with something like this. One, the risk is you know, you just saw a Tesla. It's at $8. You know.
Tesla is at $8.
No, Tesla. The
Oh.
one that's so like they all follow something. Like Tesla follows Tesla.
Yeah.
So
Makes
it's
sense.
an option income strategy. You know, that's using long and short term positions of Tesla. Same thing with like PLTY.
Oh, there's she fucking.
Count, shit like that. Are we getting silly?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh yeah. So like the gains and the losses are a little bit more exaggerated, right?
Mhm.
Because you're using options positions for it.
Yeah.
But also I think some of the like the maintenance costs might be a little expensive.
Mm.
But it's just like the overall risk.
That
And like
makes-
again, the really big one is MSTY, and that has 3.5 billion assets under management. It's a 200% dividend yield. But it's following MSTR, which obviously follows Bitcoin. So like the fucking Bitcoin degens love that shit.
Yeah. That's insane. 200% dividend yield achievers.
Yeah, dude, it's nuts. But like, you know, these option income things and strategies aren't new. They're just like, I think they're becoming a little bit more prevalent.
Mm-hmm.
Because like, you know, people are smart and they find ways to like, you know, they throw in 10K, then they borrow another 10 on margin, and then they're just like collecting, paying off the margin costs and whatnot, and whatever the maintenance fees are, and then just collecting the residual, buying more, and then just, you know, compounding over and over and over and over.
Yeah.
It's like in theory, it's like free money. It really is. It's funny.
It's free money, and the risk is that your overall investment goes to zero.
Mm.
But as long as you buy enough and you get, you know, like the weekly dividends, the monthly dividends, you make your money before you make so much money. Like if you buy enough, you make so much money, it doesn't even matter.
Yeah.
Like if it goes to zero, that's why I say like if you use you can use prop firms. That you don't even use your money to buy the dividends, so you're not really out nothing.
Mm.
Because the time you make all the money that you have into that account, you're green. And then you take all that money, your payouts, and you buy dividends. Well, that's their money
Going
buying
into
the dividends.
Yeah.
And then you have free money. You're using somebody else's money to make you money.
Come on, baby. Get to the fucking target. I guess you wonder where I've been. Let's see if she can get there. Will he get there in this 5-minute candle? They're gonna fuck around with this shit. And not go down there at all. They'd like to do shit sometimes.
Yeah, I got into those different dividends because I was buying SPY and QQ. And somebody's like, why are you doing that?
Oh, so instead of buying them, you're just buying like the subcontract basically of it?
Yeah, I just started buying these other ones. And I just take a certain amount of P&L and just buy more. Just whenever I start seeing something I like, I just buy.
That makes fucking sense.
I kind of look at it like a newbie, like holy crap, this thing's gonna crash, and then buy some. You know what I mean? Because like
Yeah.
when you're new, you're like it's already tanked, and you're like, oh, it's gonna go more.
Yep.
So I just look at it like that, and I'm like, all right, well, if I didn't know anything and I would sell here, you know, short here, I might as well just buy some.
Yeah. That makes sense.
But on the monthly ones, if you can get good positions on them, you buy a crap ton, let it run up into the dividend, sell, because you got to buy it 5 days before.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Sell, then move right into the next one. Then you just collect your dividend. I think the guy I trade with, he's up like 100. I think he said 117% this year.
Gee,
He's doing that.
Holy.
on his port.
Yeah.
That's insanity.
Let's see if we get Friday's Globex any bounce. It's like that 20,000. It's like 20,005. I'll just call it 20,000.
Yeah, I got 2020.
20,005. Yeah. Like that.
Yeah, 2020.
Come on now. What's that hourly fucking gap, girl? So fucking close. Edging me.
Could retrace into the data candle since we didn't retrace Friday into it.
Was there data?
Yeah,
Oh,
data
you're talking
Friday.
about Friday.
Yeah.
Yeah. The less I know, the better. Watching the shit. Fucking hawk.
You going long? You gonna take a long?
No,
We hold.
I'm waiting for my short to fill. At this. 1975. I take one
gotcha,
contract
gotcha.
off. Closed out. Okay, let's see if this last one wants to. Come on down there, girl.
Should have one more leg down.
Yeah. So I'm waiting for her to. See if she gives it to us.
My nose itches.
You what?
My nose, freaking, my allergy. Like, it's 10 o'clock. I shouldn't be having such an itchy nose right now.
I think somebody's thinking about you.
I'm thinking about Benji right now. It's me.
You want to speak up?
It's me. I have to confess.
Nice. It's only ever Eddie.
Just know.
Way to bring in the week.
Just know that it's always me. Come on now.
You'd get along with my two roosters, Eddie.
Gay roosters. I bet they're excited for June.
Yeah.
Dude, if we got
I'll get him
all
some,
the way to -3.5,
hard
that'd be
hats.
nasty.
Oh man, that would be nasty.
Come down, take this blunt ass fucking blow. Should I hold it?
Retrace up into FOMC and die.
Should I hold it? Overnight.
I like to see the 2125 because that right there would be about 50% of
This one, yeah, of that
the
fair
data
value.
candle.
Yeah. Oh, 8:30. Oh, you're looking at like, okay. Let me see. I want to work this out.
Yeah, that data candle there. I mean, I just eyeballed it. It looks like, oh, it's an OTE of it, yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be perfect.
Pretty much. Yeah. Oh, come on. Fucking whores. Look at this
Because
shit.
if we don't leave, like on data candles like this, like when we pump, like if we don't leave a
There she go. Now she's
Timmy
doing
candle
that.
there to trade out of,
Yeah.
then a lot of times we retrace into it, and we didn't retrace into it. So
Oh,
it could be,
Lord. Keep her going. All right. Well, I know what I'm not doing
Hey,
tomorrow
this guy.
morning. Fucking trading.
Yeah.
I know exactly what the fuck I'm not doing tomorrow morning. It's fucking trading. Good Lord. I'll take this fucking shit here. On stream. I said it. I'm like, yo, this looks fucking shortable right there. I'll take it. 350 ticks.
Who the hell says no? An easy 350 to start off the week. What the heck?
Yeah. Yep. That was on 2 accounts. Had one each. All right. Yeah. All right. Well, looks like I'm done. I'm done for tomorrow. Man, beautiful. I have to fucking
Can't get mad about that one.
trust my shit. Just have to trust my fucking shit. Man.
Time after time. When you lost me.
Who's that hourly fucking that little liquidy bitch? Fuck.
Yeah, bitch.
Yeah, that was good. That was good. Make sure all my positions are closed out. And yeah, we're fucking not touching jack shit tomorrow. We're gonna stream in the morning. We'll give you the outlines, the basics, and then probably fucking paper trade the rest of the day. Until I gotta go to work. Actually, that might give me some time to go to the gym before work. No. Yeah. I'll do that. Oh, fuck, beautiful.
You have to start doing a push-up per tick
Push up for tick.
of successful trades.
Fuck. I'm gonna have to start taking my trades really fucking early then. Closing my shit out nice and early.
Sorry, I had to eat. I was
Minimum of
fucking
100
hungry.
ticks.
What's up? Oh, you're good, sir.
Still being robbed of my fucking DNA test.
Yeah, look at that. That entry right there. 29.3. Sold right there. Oh, 825. That was across 2. Fucking off.
Already done?
Huh?
You already out?
Yeah, I'm done for tomorrow.
Damn.
Yeah.
Big boy.
Nobody does it like Eddie.
I would you quit almost 14K tonight?
Huh? You almost did? Yeah.
No, do you?
Yeah. Yep.
The 2 accounts. Paper trade tomorrow.
Exactly.
Don't give a dang penny back.
Yeah, fuck no. I've done that way too many fucking times.
Yep.
Way too many times. I'm like,
Been up a crap ton. I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna log back on and freaking take this trade.
yep. Yep.
Like,
It's-
the hell you are.
Yeah, and then you get fucking. And you get fucking finger blasted.
Yeah. and
What
then,
are we doing
it's
that
like,
at? That's
then it's like quicksand from there.
Yeah, exactly. You're just like, fuck. I mean, honestly, I'm liking it to this -3 right there. It lines up nicely with that liquidity. She can go more. She can go all the way to here. Give you another 400 ticks if somebody wants to jump in over here. Kind of a suicide mission.
Yeah, I don't like chasing that part out.
Yeah. But that -3 liquidity looks good on the 15 right here. Right here, look at that. Lines up right with it. 90250.
But does that not turn into bearish?
Technically it does. I mean, if she
I hate
wants
to see half of Twitter be right.
I mean, if we close through this hourly fair value gap, then it's kind of, we're looking for downies.
Oh yeah.
But
Yeah.
with that, right, they
I mean,
can
look at all the fair value gaps on the way down.
with that they can also just have this be open low, high close week. So this weekly, right, this weekly can retrace down and then go from it. Like those 19. Yeah, if we retrace into 50% of this, or if that shit
I
is
feel like that would be one of those surprise rate cuts if we did that.
19818. 19818. Look out for that. I think that will be 19818. Yeah, I'm liking that original consolidation over here. I mean, even if we dip down below these lows, that previous day low, shit, I think we can easily get a nice pump back up from there. That's if we dip down all the way to that 19818. 195.
It's like about to pump it.
Yeah, 668. Or will we get the 2125?
Yeah, that's what I'd like to see.
2125.
If we get down there and hold, I might take a long.
2125
Just to
lines up
see.
nicely with some shit too.
No, it's really crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
The fact that you haven't gotten your fucking DNA yet.
No, look at chat. Look at chat.
Uh-huh. The ahem. Looking. Observing. The key levels up top. A rejection of those. Yes, I'd be careful. Longs here. Yep.
Mhm.
Classic.
Yeah, what do I have on my shit?
Classic Shane
Key
does it again.
levels. Yeah, I had this 23325.
I see Shane. Man, I don't know how I missed you tagging me. Probably because I was out in the garden, but
Garden hoe.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah,
Eat a
like,
hoe in the garden.
like they're for everyone. Fuck off, dog.
18870. Who says no? Eddie, carry a fucking runner.
There you go, 19. There you go. To 19 right there. 19,902.50. I think she can cook to that. Yeah, that.
19 at 901.50.
Yeah. Yep.
It's a cool. It's Look a little bit slow.
Oh, you have
We
that
have
level up
daily
one too.
SMT too. So
Yeah, ew. I'm liking that.
that's that.
I like it. I love it.
I want more tea.
I feel that.
I'm drinking coffee still. I didn't switch to tea yet.
I think I've had my coffees for today.
I had a lot of coffee this weekend. Not gonna lie.
Dude. Had a lot of coffee on Friday.
Yeah, I was just feeding it to Eddie. I could see the look in his eye like he didn't want anymore. I just kept hitting him.
Yeah, he's like,
Yeah,
hey,
yes.
you want another one? I'm like,
faking.
yeah. Like,
Meanwhile, Shane's barely at baseline. He's just fucking hanging. He's just there.
like
Bro, Eddie
literally.
was ripping around like 50 miles an hour, no helmet, smiling.
Type shit.
It was a little dangerous, but it was fun as fuck.
That's alright.
We gotta
live a little here and there.
hit it again though, dude. So,
One pothole and all would have been over.
yeah, dude. I was like, your eyes, I'm fucking squinting because the wind is just fucking blowing the air into them. Just like fucking. I'm like, man.
Aw.
I'm praying the whole way. I'm fucking putting the throttle back. That was good.
Yeah, I gotta let you on the fast one next time. I totally forgot.
Oh god, that one I'll ask for a helmet.
Yeah.
But the acceleration on those things is ridiculous.
Yeah, we went on like a crackhead safari. It was crazy.
Riding back, yeah. When we were riding back on that main road on the sides in the bike lane, dude. Some of those when you were ahead of me and you'd like rip it up. Some of those little salt rocks just like fly back. I'm like, fuck. It's fun though. But living on the edge a little. STY. Damn, good stuff. I mean, I think we. But, is that it? You're gonna call it tonight on the stream?
Who, me? You?
Everyone.
Me?
Or do you guys want to keep on
Yeah.
streaming bullshitting?
I'll fucking go all day. All
I mean,
night.
if we can pull another $14,000 off, then yeah,
All right, fuck, let's do it.
keep her going.
Let's see what we have here. New hourly just opened up. New 4 hour just opened up. Let's take a gander here. These levels are good. This is decent. I'll take this Oro block. I'm gonna save this as a Monday journal.
I just posted all my stocks that I like too.
Yeah, everyone. And if you're not in the Discord yet, join up. www.papertrace.io. Posting our everything in there. Pretty much what you don't see on stream, and whenever we go back to review it, that was posted in Discord. Let's come back to this fair value gap right here on the 15-minute, and then sell down from there. How about that?
Mhm.
What's everyone think about that? That's about 50%. Take this market structure shift thing, kind of like right there. But over here. So everybody's thoughts, that'd be, yeah, the retest right there. So I'd want to see on the 4 hour. Yeah, I wouldn't long anything until this bottom of the 4 hours taken. For now, it's shorts. It is shorts for me for right now. Or if we want to reach that -3, be lovely. Like Benji was saying, 901.50. Have that level as well. 901.50s. That's where we have our eyes on. What's this one up? Like that. Yeah. Come up there. Come on up.
You can log into my account. Just rip some trades.
Yeah. They might be.
Oh,
While
there he
you're,
is.
while you're at it.
Huh?
I heard a Benji yawn.
I said while you're at it.
Sleepy.
While I'm at it.
You just said he can go all night, and now he's.
This is a sleepy kitty on the mic right now. I'll be honest. I am just. I think it's the chamomile.
Yeah, for sure.
Chamomile magnesium combo fucking
Ooh.
takes me out.
This guy fucking
Yeah.
loaded up on some Quaaludes before going on stream.
What is that?
Like, all right, guys, I
Mad,
can go all night.
Yeah, I picked the wrong pill bottle and took my magnesium instead. Holy smokes.
Bonk still looks good, Eddie.
Fuck yeah, Fett is gonna be. Yes,
Bonky. Just take Bonk. It's beautiful.
Doji looks good too at 705 right here. So yeah, I like Doji.
But Bonk's got that early displacement. There's buyers.
Bonky.
Doge
Bonky
don't
does
got no
look good.
early displacement.
Bonky does look good. See. Yeah. I mean, everything opened up below the week. Like I said, we can do an outside week on this week on crypto.
That'd be nice.
Take bottom. Continue up.
Coming into support.
Accuser.
No, no. I was whatever you were looking at there.
Oh yeah, fucking Fett crypto.
Yeah.
Yeah, off of that, like off of these liquidities would be nice. 705 right
Yeah.
there.
Mm-hmm.
The animal might give us like, so if it comes back into here, they can see a pop from there. That's what I am looking for. All right, everyone that's tuned in, thank you so much for watching. We're gonna continue streaming in the Discord. We'll keep on going here in the Discord, just chatting, bullshitting. But on that, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow ES Benji. We gotta get him to 300 followers, guys, and he will post his fucking
We're still
eyebrow
not at
routine.
300. I hate
It's
these people.
months.
Dude, yeah, literally.
Who did I hurt?
Come on, y'all. Get Benji 15 more followers. Get this guy
Okay.
up there.
Just 15.
Just 15.
Apparently, it's a lot to ask.
Mm-hmm. All right. After that, make sure you follow Big Timmy Hedge as well. Phenomenal guy. Phenomenal analyst. Make sure you follow at Hazed Beats as well. And give us a like. Check us out on all the platforms that we got. So YouTube's the main one. Paper Traders on Twitter as well. Posting some good announcements on there. Stay tuned for a little something, a little special surprise on there. And maybe take a short here. Take a small turn ad up top. And after that, yeah, that's it. Check us out. Give us a like, give us a share. Don't be a hoe. I appreciate you guys.
Don't be scared to make 14 grand in a night.
Yeah. Peace out, y'all.